Dear student, in our exercise previously we draw the basement floor plan of this building, which we cut through these walls, and we are inside the earth, so we are surrounded by earth, and these floors are above our head, the terrace and the sidewall, along with the ground floor borders. So they are indicated with dashed lines. And when we look down, we see the upper surface of the basement floor with its lines. It has lines on it, and we see the upper surface of these first approximately 8 steps. That's where the horizontal plane cuts through the stairs. And this thick line represents the cut part of the stairs, and we cut through this middle load-bearing column, let's say, and the rest of the stairs and rest of the handrail, guardrail are above our head, so they are indicated with dashed lines. And now we need to move on to the ground floor plan. We need to create the ground floor plan, and we need to think that this time we are cutting through approximately this height, and we need to imagine what we are going to see when we look down, and to make it easier, now you can pause the video and fix an A4 sketch paper over your drawing paper, and you can use your basement floor plan as a guidance to copy certain things. It will be easier for you. But before that, we need to understand what we are cutting through. Again, I'm cutting through the walls. So these walls will be the same because there aren't any differences. The only difference is when we cut through here, we are no longer inside the earth. And when we look down, we can see the upper surface of this east terrace and this sidewall here. So I can copy the same walls here. They are still being cut through. And when I look down, I'm no longer inside the earth, so I don't need to do this hatch. And instead of dashed lines, I am seeing these surfaces. So I can use continuous middle thickness, middle darkness lines along with the lines on the surfaces. And similarly, when I cut through here, I am still cutting through the middle column. So I can copy the same thing here. And when I look down, this time I'm seeing the 0, 0 surface with different lines, and it has a different color. And as you can see, let's say that I'm cutting through here, I can see the steps of the new stairs, and the rest will be above my head. And when I look down, I will be seeing the steps of the ground floor stairs, basement floor, ground floor stairs. So there will be 2 lines, 2 thick and black lines to indicate 2 stairs. The first part, this part, will represent these steps that connects the ground floor with the first floor. And after that, when I look down, I will be able to see the first stairs, which connects the basement with the ground floor. So I will have 2 lines. These first part will be the new stairs, and the second part, it's no longer dashed lines because I can see it now, and it will represent the below stairs. So we can do that. We can copy this plan here, and we can convert the lines, or if you are using your hand, of course, you can change your drawing style, and I can create let's do it like this. So I am going to change these lines into normal lines, continuous lines. And as I said before, I will be looking at 0, 0 surface. So these lines on the floor should be changed into these lines, which are 50 centimeter apart, and their position is like this. As you can see, it's the perpendicular direction. And I can see the upper surface of these two guardrails, which I indicated with dashed lines in the ground basement floor plan. Now they will be indicated with continuous lines. So I'm going to stop the video and do the changes and then continue with the new drawing. Let's give different colors to these steps. Maybe we can think that these are just to indicate the drawing, not the actual colors of the stairs, of course. Let's give purple to this first stairs, which connects the basement floor with the ground floor, and the upper surface of the handrail. This handrail can be green, as you can see. These horizontal surfaces of the ground floor handrails can be dark red. The upper surface of the stairs, the new steps can be bright red. So I will need, of course, a new guardrail to protect people from falling down. And this upper surface of this new guardrail can be blue, dark blue. And when we cut through horizontally, cut through the building horizontally at this level, as you can see, I will be cutting through the middle part of the stairs, the new stairs. I will see the first 8 steps, the red steps. I will be cutting through the blue handrail. And when I look down, I will see the upper surface of the ground floor, upper surface of these dark red handrails, and some portion of the purple steps, and some portion of the green handrail. So it will be like this. As I told you before, I copied the basement floor plan and changed its line types. And as you can see here, I'm cutting through the walls. They are the same, basically the same representation with the basement floor. And I'm no longer inside the earth. And when I look down, I will see the upper surface of these terrace and sidewalk areas and with their lines. And I am looking at the ground floor. This is the 0, 0 level. I wrote down the names of the spaces and their square meters. And as you can see, there are 2 thick and black lines, which indicates 2 stairs, 2 different stairs. Let's check them. First of all, when I look down, I will see these steps, which are red, bright red. These are the steps which connects the ground floor with the first floor. And they are being cut through horizontally at this point. And the rest, when I look down, the rest will be the first stairs, which are purple. And as you can see here, I can see the upper surface of these horizontal guardrails, which protects people from falling down when they're on the ground floor. And there's a slight difference with the model and the drawing. As you can see in the model, this void is a little bit larger than the drawing. Just ignore that, it's not important. This is the guardrail next to the red steps, which I indicated with dark blue. All these surfaces are the surfaces of the ground floor, the indoor surface, the outdoor surface, and this is the upper surface of the earth next to the sidewall. And as it's being represented with a gray color on the model, so I did the same here. And when I look down, I will be looking at the upper surface of this first step, which are purple in color. That's the stairs that connects basement floor with the ground floor, as you can see here. And this second thick and black line represents that stairs. And next to these purple steps, I will be looking at the green handrail. And when it reaches to the ground floor, it becomes horizontal, and it's this dark. Let me make it bigger. Dark red color. It's been represented with dark red color. And if I look down, these triangular parts are the minus 2.70 level. That's the dark brown surface of the basement floor. These are the minus 2.70 level. So this is the ground floor plan. And if you do this like that, if you copy your stairs using the right line type, and if you know which line represents what in reality, then it will be right for you. You can now pause the video and try to do the drawing on your own and see if you understood the logic. And in our next video, we will be drawing the first floor plan this time.